Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Public Works Roads, Preston Tinsong, informed that technical specification for the thickness of state PWD roads has been followed as per the specifications laid down by the Indian Roads Congress. Replying to a supplementary query raised by Umsning MLA Celestine Lingdo at the question hour during the budget session of the Assembly, Tinsong said that as far as the state of Meghalaya is concerned, the design is always taken into consideration according to the intensity of the traffic and climatic conditions.
As far as the Meghalaya state is concerned, yes, the design is always taken into consideration according to the intensity of the traffic and the climatic condition and also the soft grade condition.
The Community and Rural Development Minister Abu Tahir